Well, Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley says there will be no new restrictions as the government is noticing a downward slant in the COVID-19 curve. The Prime Minister even hinted at a possible partial opening of the borders if we can keep the daily average of positive cases down. Ian WASON has more.
Health officials have noted a decline in the average daily cases of COVID-19. Dr. Michelle TROTMAN, who heads the Cora Hospital, thanked the country for the effort to wear masks and follow the public health guidelines, which contributed to the downward trend.
Is if we get 100% compliance, and Trinidad, I know you can do that. If we get 100% compliance, those numbers will continue to go down and stay down.
Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley joined Saturday's virtual health briefing and said when it comes to COVID-19 restrictions, we will continue as we have been for the last 2 weeks.
To continue with the prescriptions that we have made and that appear to be working. So today there will be no new legislative change to what is on the books. The legislative authority for the changes that we have made will stay, they will remain in place until the 11th of October.
The Prime Minister hinted that there can be a partial opening of the borders if we achieve the target set for the Caribbean travel bubble.
Is to try to get down to the vicinity of 20 infections a day, which is what the Caribbean leaders have set as a target to participate in this bubble, where if we get down to that level of 20 infections per day or less, we can then interact with the people of Grenada, Barbados, and Lucia.
He added in the next week, 1 or 2 decisions can be made if the numbers continue to decline. Ian WASON, TTT News.
Well, the number of active COVID-19 cases went up by 35 today. 9 more persons have been discharged from public health facilities, while there are 54 more recovered community cases. This brings the total number of active cases to 2,057. No new deaths reported today. The death toll remains at 70.